In the quest for love and the building of strong relationships, choosing your future partner is one of the most significant decisions you will make in your life. But how can you avoid failure in this endeavor? Well, through self-awareness, authenticity, effective communication, empathy, shared values, identifying warning signs, trust, conflict resolution, self-love, and personal development. We will explore these key themes that will guide you towards a more informed choice when selecting your future partner. Before embarking on the search for a partner, it is crucial to look inward and explore who we are, what we need, and what we desire in a relationship. Self-awareness is the first step on the path to a conscious and healthy partner choice. Self-awareness involves deep reflection on our emotions, values, fears, and desires, leading us to understand who we are at the deepest level and what we seek in a relationship. This not only helps us identify our needs, but also communicate them effectively to our potential partner. Authenticity is the key to attracting a partner who is compatible with us. When we are authentic, we show our true personality and do not try to be someone we are not. Authenticity attracts people who will accept us for who we are, which is essential for a lasting and fulfilling relationship. Often, people feel pressured to fit into a certain mold or to hide aspects of themselves for fear of not being accepted. However, this often leads to unsatisfactory relationships where we cannot be ourselves. Authenticity allows us to connect on a deeper level and find someone who genuinely values and shares who we are. Self-awareness and authenticity go hand in hand. When we know ourselves well, we can be authentic, which in turn helps us attract someone who is compatible with our true essence. This is the foundation upon which to build a solid and lasting relationship. So before delving into the search for your future partner, take the time to explore yourself. Reflect on your values, desires, goals, and past experiences in relationships. Learn to accept yourself as you are and be true to your authenticity. Ultimately, this will lead you to a more informed and fulfilling partner choice based on real connection and mutual understanding. Effective communication and empathy are two fundamental pillars for building a strong and healthy relationship. The way we relate to our partner in terms of communication and understanding their feelings and needs can make a significant difference in the quality of the relationship. Effective communication involves actively listening and expressing oneself clearly and respectfully. Actively listening to our partner without prejudice is essential. This means giving them the opportunity to express their thoughts and feelings without interruptions or judgments. Often, instead of listening, we tend to think about how to respond or even interrupt with our own ideas. This lack of active listening can be detrimental to the relationship. Clear expression is equally important. We must communicate openly and honestly. Often, couples may have difficulties because they do not feel comfortable expressing their thoughts and feelings. Lack of communication can lead to misunderstandings and unnecessary conflicts. Therefore, learning to express our needs and thoughts clearly is essential. Empathy is the ability to understand and share our partner's feelings. It is the ability to put ourselves in their shoes and see things from their perspective. When we practice empathy, we create a supportive and understanding environment in the relationship. This strengthens the bond and helps resolve conflicts effectively. More effective empathy also allows us to recognize our partner's emotions and respond appropriately. When we understand what they are feeling, we can provide the emotional support they need. This greatly contributes to emotional connection in the relationship. It's important to remember that effective communication and empathy are skills that can be learned and improved over time. By working on these skills, we strengthen the foundation of a solid and healthy relationship. Open communication and empathy create an environment where both members of the couple feel valued and understood. So, in your search for a partner, consider the importance of effective communication and empathy. Look for someone with whom you can communicate openly and respectfully, and who has the ability to empathize with your feelings and needs. These skills will be crucial for building a relationship where both feel heard, supported, and understood. One of the strongest foundations for building a lasting and satisfying relationship is the alignment of shared values and goals. When you and your partner share values and have similar goals, you are creating a solid foundation on which to build your relationship. Values are fundamental beliefs that guide our lives and can include aspects such as honesty, loyalty, family, religion, independence, adventure, and many others. Identifying and understanding your own values is essential before seeking a partner, as it will help you find someone with similar values. When you share values with your partner, you have a solid basis for making decisions and resolving conflicts. You will both be in tune with what is important in life and how to face challenges together. On the other hand, when there are fundamental differences in values, it can be difficult to maintain a healthy long-term relationship, as disagreements may arise frequently. Shared goals refer to the goals that you and your partner have in common, whether they are personal, professional, family-related, or of any other kind. When both share similar goals, you are working in the same direction, which facilitates collaboration and mutual support to achieve those goals. The importance of having shared goals lies in helping you build a future together. You can plan and dream together, working as a team to achieve what you both desire. This strengthens the sense of unity and collaboration in the relationship. Aligning values and goals with your potential partner is a critical step in choosing a satisfying relationship. Before committing to a long-term relationship, make sure to discuss and deeply understand each other's values and mutual goals. This will provide you with the assurance that you are on the same page and have a solid foundation to build a relationship that can withstand the test of time. Remember that sharing values and goals doesn't mean they have to be identical in every aspect, but they should be compatible in what truly matters to both of you. Choosing a partner is a crucial decision, and in this process, it's essential to be alert to warning signs that may indicate potential issues in a relationship. The ability to identify and address these signals is fundamental to making informed decisions and maintaining a healthy relationship. Warning signs can vary widely, but it's important to recognize that not all are equally significant. Some signs may be minor differences that can be overcome with communication and commitment, while others may indicate deeper and chronic problems. A common warning sign is lack of respect or inconsiderate treatment. If you notice that your partner tends to be rude, insulting, or insensitive, this may be an indication of communication and respect issues. Addressing these behaviors early on and working together to resolve them is crucial. Establishing clear boundaries is another important warning sign. Lack of commitment is also a significant red flag. If your partner shows a lack of interest in the future of the relationship or avoids discussing long-term commitments, this can be cause for concern. Healthy relationships require mutual investment and a willingness to work together towards a shared future. Lack of trust is also a warning sign. If you feel you can't trust your partner, or if you have reasons to believe they are being dishonest, this can be a major obstacle to a healthy relationship. Trust is the foundation of any solid relationship, and its absence can be devastating. Incompatibility in terms of values and goals, as we discussed earlier, can also be a warning sign. If you don't share similar goals or if your core values are incompatible, conflicts and difficulties are likely to arise over time. Warning signs should be seen as opportunities for reflection and action. They don't necessarily mean the relationship should end immediately, but they do indicate that it's important to address issues consciously and communicatively. Couples therapy or counseling can be helpful in situations where warning signs become recurrent. Being able to identify and address warning signs is essential in choosing a partner and building a healthy relationship. Don't ignore the signs, but also don't jump to hasty conclusions. Instead, address these concerns with openness, communication, and understanding, and seek solutions that allow the relationship to thrive or both parties to move forward in a healthy manner. Trust is one of the fundamental pillars in any successful and lasting relationship. In the context of romantic relationships, trust plays a crucial role as it lays the groundwork for emotional security and well-being. Without trust, a relationship is on unstable ground and may experience significant difficulties. Trust is built over time through consistent experiences and behaviors. When we trust our partner, we are confident they can be counted on, fulfill their promises, and behave consistently with our values and expectations. This sense of emotional security is essential for the development of a strong relationship. Trust is a necessary element for emotional intimacy. It allows us to open up to our partner and share our deepest thoughts, feelings, and desires. When we trust that our partner accepts and respects us, we feel free to be authentic and vulnerable, which strengthens the emotional connection. Lack of trust can lead to a range of problems in a relationship. Constant distrust can lead to insecurity, anxiety, and a lack of emotional intimacy. The relationship may become tense and filled with conflicts as doubts and concerns erode communication and harmony. Building trust requires time, effort, and mutual commitment. This involves being honest and transparent, keeping promises, being consistent in our actions, and showing respect towards the other person. Trust is fragile, and once damaged, it can be difficult to restore. It's important to note that while trust is essential, it's normal to experience moments of doubt or insecurity in a relationship. The key is for both parties to work together to address these moments and strengthen trust. Open communication and empathy are powerful tools in this process. Trust is an essential pillar in a romantic relationship. It is a necessary component for emotional intimacy and mutual well-being. Building and maintaining trust requires effort and commitment, but the benefits of a strong and healthy relationship make it worthwhile. In your search for a partner, trust should be a key consideration alongside effective communication, empathy, shared values, and goals. Make sure to value and foster trust, and look for someone who shares this commitment to building a relationship based on emotional security and mutual respect. Conflicts are a natural part of any relationship, and how we face and resolve them can make the difference between a healthy relationship and one destined for tension and discord. Constructive conflict resolution is an essential skill in building lasting and satisfying relationships. Firstly, it's important to understand that conflicts are normal and often healthy. Disagreements can arise due to differences in personality, values, expectations, or simply misunderstandings. Instead of avoiding conflicts or seeing them as something negative, it's helpful to perceive them as opportunities for growth and strengthening the relationship. Constructive conflict resolution begins with open and respectful communication. Actively listening to your partner is crucial. This involves paying attention to what they say without interrupting, asking questions to better understand their viewpoints, and validating their feelings. Empathy plays a key role here, as it allows you to understand how your partner feels in the conflict. Language is important in conflict resolution. Avoid accusatory or hurtful language and instead use a calm and respectful tone. Instead of saying, "You always do this," or "You never do that," express your concerns specifically and use first-person statements like, "I feel," or "When this happens, it worries me." Seeking mutually beneficial solutions is another key aspect of constructive conflict resolution. Instead of focusing on winning or losing, work together with your partner to find solutions that meet the needs and desires of both parties. This requires commitment and flexibility from both sides. Sometimes it's helpful to take time to cool off before addressing a conflict, especially if emotions are running high. But it's important to agree on a time to come back and discuss the issue. Ignoring conflicts or avoiding them altogether can lead to resentment buildup and poor communication. Remember that constructive conflict resolution is a process that improves with practice. It's not about avoiding conflicts, but learning to address them effectively. As you work on this skill, you strengthen the relationship and promote more open and healthy communication. Constructive conflict resolution is essential for maintaining a healthy and lasting relationship. Embrace disagreements as opportunities for growth and use respectful communication, empathy, and seeking mutually beneficial solutions as tools to overcome obstacles. By building this skill, you'll be better prepared to face challenges that may arise on your journey towards a solid and satisfying relationship. One of the fundamental bases in the search for a partner and building a satisfying relationship is self-love and personal development. Before seeking a relationship, it's essential to cultivate a strong and healthy relationship with yourself. Self-love is the foundation from which you grow as an individual and as a partner in a relationship. It involves having a high regard and appreciation for yourself, recognizing and valuing your own qualities, as well as accepting your imperfections. When you love yourself, you're better able to establish healthy boundaries, communicate effectively, and seek a relationship where you feel valued and respected. Personal development is a continuous process of growth and improvement. It's about working on your emotional, mental, and physical well-being. By investing in your personal development, you become a more complete and balanced person, allowing you to contribute positively to a relationship. The importance of self-love is reflected in how you relate to others. If you don't value yourself, it's more difficult to establish healthy relationships and set boundaries. Self-love is the foundation for a fulfilling and satisfying relationship, as it influences how you perceive yourself and how you allow others to treat you. You are likely to seek external validation and codependent relationships, which can jeopardize your emotional well-being and happiness in a relationship. Self-love also influences your ability to establish healthy boundaries. When you love yourself, you are willing to advocate for your needs and effectively communicate what is important to you. This creates an atmosphere of mutual respect in the relationship. Personal development is essential to maintain a relationship that remains fresh and exciting over time. When you commit to growing as an individual, you have the opportunity to share new experiences and goals with your partner, enriching the relationship and keeping the spark alive. Self-love and personal development are not selfishness. Rather, they are an investment in yourself that allows you to be a stronger and healthier partner. When you love yourself and work on your personal development, you are in a much better position to offer love, support, and growth to your partner. In summary, before seeking a partner and in building a relationship, it is crucial to cultivate self-love and personal development. This solid foundation enables you to establish healthy boundaries, communicate effectively, and contribute positively to a relationship. By investing in yourself, you become a stronger, balanced partner, capable of building a satisfying and lasting relationship. In this video, we explore in detail the keys to making conscious decisions in love and building solid, fulfilling relationships. We begin our journey with self-awareness, focusing on understanding our emotions, values, fears, and desires as the basis for partner selection. We then highlight the relevance of authenticity, how being genuine attracts people who accept us as we are. We delve into effective communication and empathy, emphasizing how active listening and respectful expression are fundamental to relationship quality. We also address the importance of sharing values and goals, which can strengthen a relationship. We discuss identifying warning signs, highlighting how recognizing potential problems is essential for making informed decisions. We underscore the importance of trust, how this solid foundation is crucial for emotional security and mutual well-being. We explore constructive conflict resolution, focusing on addressing disagreements effectively, an essential skill in building lasting relationships. Finally, we discuss self-love and personal development, emphasizing how cultivating a healthy relationship with oneself is fundamental before seeking a partner. These tools and concepts will guide you towards a more informed choice when choosing a partner and help you build satisfying relationships.